All right, thank you very much. As you said, artificial intelligence is quite interesting. My name is Emmanuel Manasseh, and would like to present this topic on artificial intelligence. But today, the most important thing is I'm going just to give an introduction and see the AI and its economic impact, but possible use cases, especially in Tanzania. And we'll try to classify the use cases by industry. We know that there's a lot of things to be discussed, but as our chair, Engineer Peter Olanga, said that this is the first webinar. We are just trying to set footprint, but we will continue with other webinars as well. So without further ado, let me give a simple introduction. We all hear about artificial intelligence, but what really is that artificial intelligence? In a very simple term, artificial intelligence means the use of computer and algorithm to mimic human intelligence, to understand, reason, and learn. It's true that to date, AI has been able to analyze content like documents, image, sound, movies, even to create content and to make prediction and prescription. But when you look at it, you see that key drivers, you see machine learning, which is a technology using sample data to train computer and program to recognize pattern based on algorithm. The second is neural networks, or sometimes also going to deep learning, which is a computer system designed to imitate the neurons in our brains. And another is natural language processing, the ability to understand speech as well as understand and analyze documents. And the last is robotics, which we've been with it for years, that the key issue in robotics is automation. So AI combined computer science and robust data sets to enable solving problems. So as I said, the key components that enable artificial intelligence is machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, computer vision, which helps in visualizing different images, and also the cognitive computing, which help to recognize various patterns.
Can be done in the digital transformation. One, to ensure that all Tanzanians, and in this particular case, we talk about all engineers, they're supposed to possess digital skills. And these digital skills, we categorize them into three layers. There's a basic digital skills, there's the intermediate digital skills, and there's advanced digital skills. So the engineers, all of them, they're supposed to be in a level, at least the intermediate and the advanced, based on the discipline that one is specialized. So digital skills is one of the pillars of digital transformation, so that we can enjoy AI as it's supposed to be. Number two, AI systems, normally they work autonomously. So once we start to use those systems, we have to ensure that they are safe and also they can be trusted. So the issue of cybersecurity is very important in the AI economy. And that's why now we have a number of initiatives in our country to ensure that we build a cybersecurity, to ensure that there is a safeguard that protect people's data. And that's why you've seen that we have created an institution that is specializing on protecting personal data for people. So it is very important as a pillar to ensure that systems are secure and also they can be trusted. Without trust, there is no any benefit of AI that we can get out of it. Then there's a digital telecommunication services, because applications that Dr. Manasseh have well articulated, for them to be able to work, they need a network which has very, very low delays.
AI getting easier, small language model, ability to tune models versus just developing them brand new, having more hospitable regulatory and economic climate. I mean, one of the reasons why M-Pesa and Emmanuel and I were talking about it ahead of the call has been so successful was because the regulatory environment in Kenya, Tanzania, and East Africa was by far better, while the EU AI Act, for example, is quite regulatorily heavy. And also kind of realizing that by providing a very kind of welcoming environment for experimentation, it might be possible to partner with industry and allowing the industry to think about possible monetization strategies. So again, many of us read articles about AI as a revolution that has taken over, but the monetization has been slower than expected, right? And oftentimes technologies are developed by one set of companies and monetized by others, right? All of us kind of that have been at the beginning of internet remember, Netscape and other technologies that have fallen by the wayside because they had problems monetizing. And it was not until kind of Google came along and started to monetize the information on the internet that, really that area took off. And so, how we think about monetization is very important in those companies, for those companies to figure out, and maybe potential partnerships in places like East Africa. So let me